Want to know how to make money from home without joining a skeevy MLM? I said skeevy like it's 1996. Hey, so the world is going crazy, inflation's on the rise, and gas and groceries cost more now than ever before. You can't afford to not be bringing any income into the household, but you're a mom and you don't want to leave your kids for hours every day or give up all your freedom. So what do? Join a pyramid scheme and annoy the heck out of everyone you know? Essential oils? No? I get it. I did my stint selling nail wraps for an MLM years ago, and the amount of time and energy you put into it just to make a little money only to have everyone you know duck and cover when they see you coming. But guys, wait though, I've got like every color. It's exhausting. No thank you. The great news is that's not the only option you have, mama. If you're a word nerd like me and you love to write, then lean in. The best and most fun way for you to make money from anywhere just might be freelance copywriting. Did you know there's tens of millions of small businesses out there looking for copywriters to provide the words to sell their products and services? We're talking website copy, blog articles, sales funnels, email sequences, and they're willing to pay for freelance copywriting services. Sounds a lot more fun than trying to grow that downline, right? So if you're looking for a legit way to start adding to your bank account while your kids are at school or napping, and you think writing your way to freedom could be the way to go for you, but you don't want to have to try to figure it all out on your own, then click the link to join my free 7-day client attraction crash course challenge. We're starting on Monday, and in just an hour or two a day for 7 days, you can be ready to launch your freelance copywriting services and start promoting in a week. Click the link to check it out.